This is the tree that had the kickback that caused the Husqvarna saw to slam into my leg. So I was cutting right there. I had started from the right side and I was coming in low just to get that last ½ an inch. You can see, based on the power of the tree, how far that thing came back. So now it's laying over here. It was over there. So I should have known the way it was bowed. You can see that it sprung back about 5 feet here. And gladly I wasn't seriously hurt, but it certainly got my attention. Thank you for watching.